is me, Bernard.
And I'm Quirkles, and we are students from Forest Hill Senior Elementary School.
Our
And video is about residents. Come learn with us.
Here are some examples of what resonates well.
And not well.
Things that don't resonate well are padded chairs because they're not hollow, and chapter books because they have multiple stacks of paper.
Things that resonate well are symbols because they're made out of metal. And bass drum because it's made out of wood and it's hollow. We hope you enjoyed learning with us. Please subscribe.